if you are satisfied with your design, I'm kind of not satisfied with my design, but I'm just gonna use it as an example. All right, so if you have the floor plates the way you want it, and it does have enough overlap to it, we can start adding stairs to this object. So for the stairs, I would go to the front view first and just draw a stair. So from the let me see if I drew that correctly. Yeah, I guess I did. So from the 0 coordinate, I drew a line so that when I'm in the front elevation, I can draw a set of polylines that creates the stairs. So I'm just going to go near that, up 6 inches, and then over 12 inches. Okay. With that step, all I have to do is copy all these all over the place up until 16 feet high. So offset distance will be 16 feet, enter, and I'll select that line, go up here. So I need to get the stairs all the way up here. And for this project, I'm just going to use a straight run stair because that seemed to match in character with the design of the folded pleated object. So I'm going to copy this thing. There. So doing that will create a stair that's going up from level 0 to 16, which is right where this floor is. One problem about this design is by code you're not supposed to go a vertical distance of 12 feet up. So offset 12 feet. That's the maximum amount of rise that can be done on a straight run stair. If you ever climbed a stair that had 12-foot elevation difference, you would understand why. It is a haul. So what I'm going to do is to split this stair in half so that this is 16 feet. I'm going to go halfway, which is 8 foot, right? So offset 8 foot. There. Okay, and then I could take this object and move it over, let's say 4 feet. Actually, that might have been too much. Distance there to there is 5 feet. By code, if you come down a stair, the straight landing must be at least 4 feet. So I went 5 feet. I guess that's fine, but I'm just going to go 12 feet more. So there, from here to here, should be 4 feet. Distance from there to that nose should be 4 feet of landing. So with that, if I fillet these two objects, radius is 0, select that and that, I have my set of stairs. Select all of that and I will join these together, and then I shouldn't have joined them. So I could take another set of polyline from there to there, from there to there, offset this. This is pretty much what we did for our subtraction cube stairs. And the distance, I'll select something like 6 inches or something. Oops. 6 inches. And then draw a line here. Actually, I'll draw a line here and make that 6 inches. offset 6 inches from there to there. I didn't need to measure that, or I didn't need to do that, huh? Delete. Fillet. This guy to that guy. Okay. And then what I'll do is to fillet this and fillet these. Up here, I will go from the top level endpoint and then trim these guys, or fillet. Get rid of that, and then I am going to join all these up again. This way, I'm in the front view, which means that I could go into the perspective side and take this thing and extrude it out. So solid, extrude planar curve straight. From that, I'm going to go over, I think the requirement is that the stairs be 8 feet wide, so I'm going to put 8 foot, and there it is. There is my stair. There is my my outline curve for the stairs, so I could use this as something that'll come up on this thing. Usually I start from the bottom, but I think for this project it'll be easier to start from the top. So what I'm going to do is copy this object right here, and actually I should have taken this and placed it on a new level or a new layer. Okay, so I'm going to take this object, copy, select that, and I'm going to, I think I'll come around this line right here. So I'm going to take that point right there and place it there. Wrong. Move this thing from this point right here to that point right there, and then I'm going to rotate this object, rotate, select from there to near this. That way this stair is going to be parallel to this edge. And it looks like it is coming right to this corner right here. Let me try this. Draw a line here to here. Offset 5 feet. And then move this object. Move from there to that edge right there. So now I have a landing on this edge right here. And it looks like the stairs can come down and then onto this level. It does have coverage, so it should be okay.